Hello, just a minute. Audio video clear? Welcome all of you to this very special live lecture. So we'll wait for 1 minute so that more people join. Invite your friends in that 1 minute. Share this link to your friends and invite them to this free live class. If more people are joining, we also will be encouraged to start more free live sessions in the future. So please make sure everyone have invited at least one of your friends to be part of this live class. ये क्लास सारा साइंस स्ट्रीम्स के लिए कॉमन है, लाइफ साइंस, फिजिकल साइंस, मैथमेटिकल साइंस, केमिकल साइंस एंड अर्थ साइंस, because for all science streams aptitude section is common. So, and in this session we will be discussing the strategies or how you can prepare for CSIR-NET General Aptitude section in the next 3 months, because roughly 3 months is there for your upcoming NET exam. Exact date अभी announce नहीं है, लेकिन रफली 3 मंथ्स होगा अगला एग्जाम तक. वो एग्जाम के लिए आप सेल्फ स्टडी में कैसा प्रिपेयर कर सकता है, क्रिस्टीज क्लासेस यूज करके कैसा प्रिपेयर कर सकता है, ये दोनों एस्पेक्ट्स डिटेल में डिस्कस करेगा. कुछ क्वेश्चंस भी डिस्कस करेगा, CSIR-NET प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस भी, एंड यू कैन आस्क योर डाउट्स आल्सो इन द क्लास so that we can have an interactive session in this class. So be alert, गेट का कोर्स भी शुरू हो रहा है. या गेट का कोर्स वी आर स्टार्टिंग नेक्स्ट वीक. Those who asked about GATE course, I will tell about all the courses and everything you need to know. First of all, for the new students, my name is Christy Varghese. I have trained more than 2 lakh aspirants for CSIR-NET and other competitive exams, and CSIR-NET and GATE के लिए dedicated complete course ये platform में available है. उसका details also I will tell in this course. As I told, ये lecture में आप self study में कैसा prepare कर सकता है, ये कोर्स अटेंड करके कैसा प्रिपेयर कर सकता है, ये दोनों एस्पेक्ट डिटेल में डिस्कस करेगा, सो दैट यू कैन प्रिपेयर फॉर एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन प्रॉपरली फॉर द अपकमिंग एग्जाम. ओके, सो आई विल चेक द चैट सेक्शन ऑल्सो सो दैट देयर इज एन इंटरैक्शन, so that we can make sure this session is an interactive session. Okay, so more about me you can see here, and the book I have written for CSIR-NET General Aptitude is the current bestseller book for aptitude section. The book name is CSIR-NET General Aptitude, A New Outlook. So this is the book I have written for General Aptitude section. Amazon और Flipkart दोनों में ये available है. Those of you want a printed study material for General Aptitude section, ये book खरीद सकता है from Amazon and Flipkart. I will tell the details of the course. Sure. User named Be Alert. I will explain about all that. The class is very useful. Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you for the good words. So happy to see that many of the students who have attended my previous YouTube live also are able to be part of this live session. These are the other books I have written, and this is the complete course we are starting. For the from October 9th we are starting a complete live course. In the description of the video you can find more details, or you can download our mobile application Christy's classes. उसमें demo videos भी है, and tomorrow 10 AM there is a free live demo class in mobile application Christy's classes. So download the mobile application Christy's classes to get more free classes and more free demo materials also. And contact number ये है, if you have any doubts regarding this course you can contact on this number. Now Navaratri sale, due to that we are giving the course at a very less price of 1300, including study material worth 1000 rupee. You are getting it at live classes, recorded video, online study material, mock test, video solutions of mock test, and everything together, study material, everything together. This is the price you have to pay for the live course. This offer is only for the next 3 or 4 days, I think, till next few days it will be there. It's a limited time offer, so those of you want to be part of this course at the minimum price, you can join the course today itself. If you have any doubts regarding the course, you can ask it in the live chat also, or in the comment section if you are watching this lecture as a recording. ये course सारा streams के लिए common है. all streams have same aptitude section, so for all stream this course is common. And these are the 1000 rupee worth study material you are getting: 100 online flashcards, 60 topic wise PDF, 60 practice worksheets, and mock test with video solutions. Course English और हिंदी दोनों language mixed होगा, just like this YouTube class. Course भी English और हिंदी दोनों mixed होगा, and 66 live lectures, 100 hour video content, class notes and practice worksheets after every class, and demo videos and online mock tests, everything is included. These are more features of the course. I will explain more about it towards the end of the class, and why this course is the best course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. You can learn more about this. In our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group, you can find the brochure of this course where all details are given, and check the description of the video to be part of our WhatsApp group and Telegram group. And this course का October 9 से live class शुरू कर रहा है, and the course will be ending by December end. So any of you have doubt upcoming net exam के लिए पूरा syllabus complete होगा? Definitely. This is for the upcoming CSIR net exam. CSIR ने announce नहीं किया कब exam होगा, but I am guessing that January में exam होने का chances है. So January में exam है तो December में ही syllabus complete hoga. So everything will be taught in detail in this 66 live lectures, 60 live classes or 6 live doubt clearing session. And this is the pricing, and the special offer price also you can see here. And laptop or mobile दोनों में ये class attend भी कर सकता है. Okay, and GATE aspirants, GATE के लिए new course हम शुरू कर रहा है 14 अक्टूबर से. 14 अक्टूबर से GATE का course भी शुरू कर रहा है. So GATE course starting from 14th October. All topics will be covered in detail for GATE. GATE and CSIR का topic, some topics are common. वो common topics, one course will help the other course, but dedicated previous year question discussion will be done separately in separate courses. So both the courses are different. Shruti, exam date is not announced, but December में exam होने का chances, what I am thinking is very less, because as of now there is no announcement of the date. So if December में exam होना चाहिए था, then they should have announced the date by now. But as last exam was postponed by 1 month, so the upcoming exam also, there are high chances that it may not happen in December. But prepare as if the exam is on December itself. That is what I will suggest you, because CSIR haven't confirmed anything. I am just guessing that December में exam होने का chances कम है, January में exam होने का chances ज़्यादा है. That also CSIR should confirm. Let's wait for the official confirmation. Okay, so let's start. Timing of the live class, Ashwini. Yeah, students, CSIR-NET course का timing 10 AM to 11:30 AM. GATE course का timing 8 PM to 9:30 PM. Both are separate courses, separate study material, separate live classes, separate recording. Everything will be different in both the courses. But one course can help to an extent to other exam. For example, GATE में verbal aptitude extra है. So verbal aptitude के लिए definitely CSIR वाला course help नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि verbal aptitude is not there in CSIR. And some topics in CSIR and GATE non-verbal aptitude भी थोड़ा different है. Download iPhone में mobile app नहीं है अश्विनी. In the website you can log in iPhone. In the website you can log in. prestigeclasses.in is the website. Through that you can attend the class in iPhone. Otherwise in laptop also you can attend. Recording class, yes, be alert. Recording class also you can watch in laptop. Price for GATE exam course is 1,999, but Navaratri discount offer is there. You can check out that also. Okay, now more queries I will answer towards the end of the class. Now let us start today's topic. I hope all of you have invited all of your friends. If anyone haven't invited your friends, please take this time to share this link, copy this link and share it with your friends. Share it among your WhatsApp group, Telegram group, or personally send to your friends who want to attend this session. Yes, session life science, physical science, mathematical science, chemical science, earth science, सारा streams के लिए common है. Okay, let me clarify. CSIR-NET General Aptitude section में total 20 questions है. Syllabus इस ऐसा दिया है: General Science, Quantitative Reasoning Analysis, Research Aptitude. But ये syllabus बहुत vague है. It is not clearly mentioning what all topics are there. So I will give you a blueprint today, and how to prepare with respect to that blueprint, that also I will tell you. So 20 question में से maximum 15 questions ही कर सकता है. You cannot do more than 15 questions. Maximum 15 questions. हर question के लिए 2 mark and negative mark is there -half. Answer गलत हो गया तो half mark negative भी होगा. Total marks allocated, so 30 out of 200. Okay, 15 into 2, 30. Now, the most important thing I want to tell you is the importance of aptitude section. Importance of aptitude section. Then I will tell more about the syllabus and blueprint. Why general aptitude section is important? ये importance understand किया तो ही आप motivated होगा general aptitude learn करने के लिए. So I will try to motivate you to prepare general aptitude. Those of you who are new to preparation, those who have no idea about CSIR-NET aptitude, first let me convince you why aptitude section prepare करना चाहिए, why aptitude section CSIR exam में skip नहीं करना है. This is very important point. First of all, aptitude section का ECS question बाकी exams, बाकी section का ECS question से भी easy होगा. Are you understanding what I am saying? The ECS question in aptitude section is easier than the ECS section in your subject, ECS questions in your subject part. This is the first reason I am telling aptitude section skip nahi karna hai. Because if you are skipping aptitude section, you are skipping the ECS questions in your question paper. The most easiest questions in your question paper you are skipping just because you are deciding that aptitude section में मुझे पता नहीं है कैसा करना है या कैसा prepare करना है, उसके वजह से ECS question को skip करना, that is not the right thing at all ना. So that is the first thing I want to tell you. Aptitude section ECS questions are the easiest question among the whole question paper. I will show you with examples so that you get convinced. I will show you about 4 or 5 examples for showing you that ECS questions in aptitude, subject part का ECS question से भी easier क्यों है. For example, try this question. This is a 2016 NET exam problem. ये question try करिए all of you. I will give you 2 minutes to try. All of you try. Yes, Tripti. Definitely, last time you did 5 questions means now if you prepare more, definitely you can increase that 5 to 10 questions or 12 questions easily. And that will make a big impact. That also I will tell you how aptitude is will make a bigger impact than you think. All of you try. Okay, many of you got it right. So this question, actually, let me tell you a practical problem that happened when this question came. I am teaching for the last 10 years. So in June 2016, the students I taught also, some students came and told, sir, there was a printing error in in this question paper. It was printed paper. As of now, it is online paper, na? But earlier it was printed question paper. Printed question paper. So many students thought that this is a printing error, that half of letters only are visible. इसलिए कुछ students ने ये question को skip किया, क्योंकि ये ऐसा question first time they have asked. But when you see such a question earlier, you are understanding that ऐसा simple question भी आ सकता है. Yeah, this is simple ना. Almost most of you got the answer right, I guess. ये A का top part है, ये B का top part है, ये C का, ये D का. So अगला letter E होना चाहिए. The top part of E is option C. All of you are understanding? So option C is the answer. And this was a previous year question. I didn't make up the question. Then one more question. 2017 or 2022, दोनों years में ये question पूछा था. This question was asked in 2 different exams. It is not like that. Be alert. CSIR-NET exam में सिर्फ 2 mark questions होता है ना. GATE exam में 1 mark और 2 mark question होता है. So generally 2 mark questions of GATE is little tougher than CSIR-NET questions. 1 mark questions of GATE is little easier than the CSIR-NET question. So on an average, we cannot say that one exam is tougher than the other. It depends on many factors. For example, आपका verbal aptitude easy, आपका verbal aptitude अच्छा है तो gate exam थोड़ा और easier है, क्योंकि verbal aptitude से भी mark मिलेगा, non verbal से भी mark मिलेगा. But verbal aptitude इतना confident नहीं है तो gate exam is little more tougher. So many factors are there. We cannot generalize that gate is tougher than CSIR or vice versa. So anyway, this question all of you try. This question I have explained many times actually. Okay, some of you got an answer. Though years mein this same question was asked. Okay, many of you got the answer. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds more. Let everyone try. Let everyone try. Okay, many of you got option B as the correct answer. This is why I'm saying aptitude section to easy hai, but if you are not properly trained or if you are not practicing well, you can get confused and you can get a wrong answer also. Here you may misunderstood the question. That is why many of you got a wrong answer. I will tell you why. What is the volume of soil in an open pit of size 2 meter into 2 meter into 10 centimeter? So पिट का साइज दिया है 2 मीटर लेंथ, 2 मीटर ब्रेथ और हाइट 10 सेंटीमीटर है. सो मेनी ऑफ यू व्हाट यू डिड इज 10 सेंटीमीटर का पहला मीटर में कन्वर्ट किया. सो 1/100 मीटर है 1 सेंटीमीटर. सो 0.1 मीटर हो गया. सो लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट दिया है. लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट इज वॉल्यूम ना. So you did 2 into 2 into 0.1, isn't it? So you got 0.4 meter cube. That is there in the answer option also, but that is a wrong answer. Why it is a wrong answer? Because question is not asking volume, but volume पूछा है ना. Volume पूछा है. Volume of what? Volume of soil. Volume of soil is asked, not volume of pit. If the question was asking what is the volume of open pit, answer is 0.4 meter cube. But volume of soil inside it. ओपन पिट मीन्स एम्प्टी पिट. ओपन पिट मतलब वो पिट तो एम्प्टी है. पिट एम्प्टी है तो उसमें सोइल नहीं है. सोइल नहीं है तो वॉल्यूम भी 0 है ना. वॉल्यूम मीन्स द कंटेंट इनसाइड. हाउ मच कंटेंट इज देयर? व्हाट कंटेंट? सोइल कंटेंट, नॉट एयर और द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द पिट. कैपेसिटी ऑफ द पिट 0.4 मीटर क्यूब है, बट दैट इज नॉट आस्क्ड. हाउ मच सोइल इज प्रेजेंट इन इट? 0 मीटर क्यूब. नो सोइल, सो 0 मीटर क्यूब. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? So I told you many questions are easy, but if you don't read it properly, if you don't expect these kinds of tricks from CSIR, you can get it wrong. So I was starting why general aptitude section is important. I told the easiest question in CSIR aptitude section is easier than your subject part question. This is an example of that. ये question से भी easy question आपका subject part में नहीं आएगा, isn't it? ABCD, उसके बाद letter कौन सा है? So, and if you read the question properly, ये question भी बहुत ही simple है ना. और 2 बार same question आया. And that is another thing I want to tell you. If you practice previous year question, that is a first rule I want to tell you. If you want to start your preparation, download previous year questions and start. Download previous year questions and start. 2 advantages है. First thing, you will understand what CSIR expects from you. General aptitude section से कोई, क्योंकि हर एग्जाम डिफरेंट एक्सपेक्टेशन से क्वेश्चन सेट करता है. नेट एग्जाम का एक्सपेक्टेशन डिफरेंट है. सिविल सर्विस एग्जाम का एक्सपेक्टेशन डिफरेंट है. एसएससी एग्जाम का एक्सपेक्टेशन डिफरेंट है. बिकॉज इट इज ऑल चेकिंग सेपरेट स्किल सेट्स ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स. नेट एग्जाम एंड गेट एग्जाम का एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है, बट वर्बल एप्टीट्यूड, बिकॉज आफ्टर गेट द जॉब और द रिसर्च, the exam authority, they are deciding that English proficiency भी check करना है. That is why verbal aptitude is there. CSIR का थोड़ा different है. So that is why what I will suggest you is you see previous year questions. One is you will understand the pattern. Second is sometimes bonus like this. A person who have practiced December 2017 previous year question. Yeah, after February 2022, many students were so happy. They told that majority of the questions were from the previous year questions we have discussed in the class. Directly it came. All the time it will not be dicto same, but some exams they will ask more dicto same question. Some exams they will ask less same question. Same matlab word by word same, less times he repeat hua hai, but many a times concept repetition many a times have happened. That is why by analyzing previous year questions you will be able to do that question super fast. I will show you 2-3 more examples of the simpler question. ये question देखिए 2017 previous year question है. ओपन पिट दिया नहीं है तो कंफ्यूजिंग है बी अलर्ट. वो पिट कितना फिल किया है वो कंफ्यूजिंग है ना. वॉल्यूम ऑफ पिट पूछा तो ऑप्शन बी आंसर है, लेकिन ओपन पिट नहीं दिया तो क्वेश्चन एम्बिग्युअस है क्योंकि उसमें कितना सोइल है वो कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाएगा. दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. Some of you got an answer. All of you try please. By attending this session, the type of questions also, and you should get some practice in the class itself, and some strategies also you should learn. Those of you want to learn more about our complete course starting day after tomorrow, towards the end of the class I will explain more about it in detail, find more details of the complete course. Many of you got it. So this question, I think majority of you made it right. Very good. So this question also, there is a twist in the question that in the options they have given options so that you may get a wrong answer also. To get negative mark, CSIR put options carefully. So here, if you look at it, cylindrical cake is to be cut into 16 pieces. So if this is the cake, you can cut first like this, 2 pieces ho gaya, second 4 piece ho gaya, third 6 piece ho gaya, now 4 pieces. Now some people will continue doing this, 5th cut, 6th cut, 7th cut, 8th cut in between. So 8 cut also you can get 16 pieces. Some of you answered 8 because of this idea, na? But question is asking what? It's an optimization problem. Minimum number pucha hai. So minimum number means there's a master cut you can do. Master cut which will make, now there are 8 pieces, all of you are convinced na? Abhi 8 pieces hai. 8 pieces ko double karne ke liye just cut it this direction or this dimension. There is a third dimension na? Cylinder is a 3-dimensional object. So if I tell x-axis, y-axis, there is a z-axis also. If you use the third axis, you can minimize the number of cuts. क्योंकि ये cut 5 के बाद ऊपर 8 पीस मिलेगा, नीचे 8 पीस मिलेगा. There will be 8 pieces to the top and 8 pieces in the bottom. So 8 plus 8, 16 pieces. How many cuts? 5 cuts only needed. Are you all understanding this? Please respond. So 5 is the correct answer. So the 3 questions I showed you was not very simple, but these are questions if you are practicing questions well, if you are understanding what CSIR expects from you from the aptitude section, these questions were super easy question. Even this question was a 2016 problem which was super easy. So this question also you can try. This is a question from reasoning. 5 questions we will practice and then move to the strategy part. So a question, if you are good at aptitude, these are questions that can be done super fast. When I am saying easy question, what I mean is कम टाइम में फिनिश कर सकता है, कम टाइम में फिनिश कर सकता है. सब्जेक्ट पार्ट का क्वेश्चन रीड करके सॉल्व करने से भी कम टाइम में ये क्वेश्चंस कर सकता है. दैट इज वाई स्किपिंग दीज क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट द राइट चॉइस एट ऑल. इफ एनीवन थिंक दैट एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन मुझे पता नहीं है कैसा करना है, दैट इज वाई विल स्किप एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन कंप्लीटली. One reason you are skipping the simplest of all question paper questions. Secondly, second reason I will tell you after this question. ये question try करिए all of you. New students, if you want to see more such free classes, check out the previous videos in this channel and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the upcoming free live classes. And check out the playlist in this channel where you can learn general aptitude. Many of the topics you can learn general aptitude through the free classes. But if you want a complete proper schedule with a routine, if you want to learn, I will suggest you to be part of the complete course or the live complete course starting from day after tomorrow, which is better than the YouTube classes because it have proper structure of the course, and it will also have a daily practice questions, study materials, revision materials. All those things will be part of that course. That way that course will be better than the YouTube classes. Okay, so all of you try this. Most welcome, Kavita. Okay, due to lack of time, I will start explaining. In a group of siblings, siblings means people with brother or sister relationship with each other. There are 7 sisters and each sister has 1 brother. 7 sisters hai, each sister ke liye 1 brother hai, and here also some people when reading fast can get a wrong answer also. 7 sisters, every sister have 1 brother means 7 brothers होना चाहिए ना. 7 brothers होना चाहिए. 7 plus 7 14 people है. No, 14 भी ऑप्शन में दिया है. इन केस एग्जाम पैनिक में इसको मिसअंडरस्टैंड करके आंसर किया तो नेगेटिव मार्क ensure करना है. That is why CSIR have put the option. I think most of you got the answer right itself. There should not be 7 brothers because sibling relation is transitive. A sibling of B, B sibling of C means A sibling of C भी correct है. Your sister is your sister ना. Are you getting the point? मतलब 7 sisters को एक brother मतलब total एक ही male sibling काफी है, क्योंकि this brother is the common sibling of all these female people. The total 7 female and 1 male, total 8 people only are there. 8 people only are there. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, BLED. Yeah, in exam, in GATE exam, only English is available, but CSIR-NET exam you can choose bilingual question paper also. Okay, so itna clear hai na? And I told you many a times you can see concept repetition. It won't be same dicto, same word to word repetition. ये June 2017 problem है ना? इसका same concept repeat हुआ 2020 में. Same concept means if you have seen the June 2017 problem, ये question करने के लिए 30 seconds to 1 minute काफी है. Yeah, try it super fast. Try it super fast, all of you. I want to emphasize the importance of previous year questions. That is why I am showing you these questions first. Okay, many of you got it. Same question itself na. I mean, words are different, but idea is same na. So 2017 question paper, dicto, same concept repetition, not same question repetition. So with their sons and daughters, a couple is living and no one else. Couple have 4 sons and each son have exactly 2 sisters. Every sister have 1 brother. Here every son have 2 sisters. So that means 4 male children and 2 female children and the couple together 8 people na. Now I don't have to explain more, I guess. Is it clear? So 5 questions I have explained. You got an idea, at least new students who are totally unclear of CSIR-NET aptitude में क्या क्या है उसका एक basic idea दिया है. Now I will give you a proper blueprint. Now I will tell you the strategy part, how to prepare for aptitude section in the next 3 months. First thing, as you can see the previous year questions, previous year question practice करना है. That is the first thing you should do. First strategy I will tell you is solving PYQs or previous year questions. वो कैसा कर सकता है? Yeah, if you are being part of our course, I will make you practice previous year questions topic by topic, and I will give you extra previous year questions for your practice daily, and we will analyze your improvement also by practicing those questions, previous year questions. But if you are not being part of our course, still you can get previous year questions from CSIR website itself. I think CSIR website provides you question paper till 2019 at least. 2012 to 19 question paper already CSIR official website में archive में मिलेगा. उसके बाद वाला क्वेश्चन पेपर भी मिलेगा, बट थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है वो डाउनलोड करने के लिए. बट 2019 तक का क्वेश्चंस सारा CSIR वेबसाइट में ही अवेलेबल है. Or if you are not finding it there, in our website christyvarghese.in, there are 2 websites of us, christyvarghese.in and christysclasses.in. For the paid classes you can refer this christysclasses.in website. For the free materials, other things, you can refer this website also. So in this website also you can find this previous year questions, but CSIR website itself you can find many of the questions, or just Google it. You can find many other sources where the previous year questions are there. So from somewhere you find previous year questions and start practicing. This is the first thing I want to tell you. Those people who are self-studying, self-study is definitely fine for preparing. But the only problem is self-study, if you are not properly oriented, you will take more time to get the desired outcome. So if you are having a proper orientation, a proper mentor who can, or a senior who have prepared for CSIR and exactly know aptitude section कैसे prepare करना है, if he or she can guide you, definitely self-study initially at least, what to study, what not to study, ऐसा एक guidance मिला तो self-study से ही क्लियर कर सकता है. एप्टीट्यूड सेक्शन में भी अच्छा मार्क मिल सकता है. CSIR एग्जाम में भी डेफिनेटली यू कैन क्लियर. मेनी पीपल हैव क्लियर्ड CSIR-NET एग्जाम with self-study itself. It is not that you should get a paid course itself to study. Nothing like that. You can learn yourself. So first thing you have to do is download previous year questions and start practicing. So second is practice question. Practicing question means previous year question first complete it. उसके बाद extra practice question भी you can start practicing. So that also if you Google it, yeah, let me clarify one thing. Practicing questions, this point and this point, these two together I want to tell you. Finding the right practice material and finding the right book is very tricky. Some people at least, for example, I will come back to the book section. Books to be referred. I have written a book, CSIR-NET General Aptitude and New Outlook. It is not a promotion of that book, but this is currently the bestseller book. So if you want, you can purchase this book. Otherwise, you can purchase other books also, but general books for general aptitude, if you refer, you should be very careful. For example, one of the best books for aptitude section is R.S. Agarwal book. You may have heard about R.S. Agarwal book now. The best seller book in India or best book for aptitude also is R.S. Agarwal. But CSIR के लिए R.S. Agarwal refer कर रहा तो you should be very careful. Because all questions in all chapters in R.S. Agarwal, all types of questions in R.S. Agarwal is not of CSIR pattern. I told you हर एग्जाम का पैटर्न डिफरेंट है. एक रेलवे एग्जाम का पैटर्न नहीं, नेट एग्जाम का या एसएससी पीएससी एग्जाम का पैटर्न नहीं है सीएसईआर नेट एग्जाम का. RS Agarwal book is very good for PSC, SSC, railway, those kinds of exams. But CSIR एग्जाम के लिए कुछ टॉपिक तो सिमिलर है, बट मेनी टॉपिक्स आर नॉट सिमिलर. यू मे सी चैप्टर नेम ऑल्सो सेम, ट्रेन्स एंड बोट्स या ट्रेन प्रॉब्लम CSIR एग्जाम में भी है, गेट एग्जाम में भी है, व्हाट वी कैन से दिस SSC PSC एग्जाम्स में भी है, बट द टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर टोटली डिफरेंट. CSIR एंड गेट सिमिलरिटी है ट्रेन प्रॉब्लम में, but SSC PSC exam train problem questions are much different from CSIR previous year CSIR train problems, because SSC PSC exams the major focus is how fast you can calculate numbers, but CSIR में how fast you are calculating, that is not important, or that is not the first priority. First priority is how well you are analyzing questions faster. So यहाँ पे analysis based questions ज़्यादा होगा. SSC PSC या अदर गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम में it will be more like calculation based question. So this difference you should understand. So when you are referring RS Agarwal book also, only if you have seen CSIR PYQs you will get any idea which all questions are similar, which all questions are not similar. RS Agarwal I told as an example because that is the best book. Again, I am not saying RS Agarwal book is not good. It is the best book in India, but not for CSIR. For other exams it is the best book. CSIR GATE दोनों के लिए RS Agarwal यूज किया तो you can get only to an extent few chapters only you will get good practice. बाकी chapters and which chapters are there similar not similar वो understand करने के लिए ज़्यादा time लगेगा. So finding book and finding practice material you should be very careful. Even when you search for questions, for example train problem practice questions, if you are searching, you will get practice questions, but whether it is aligned to the CSIR-NET pattern, that is what you should understand. उसके according ही practice questions या book refer करना है. So that is why you should be careful while doing that. That's why I told you, if you are joining our paid course, the good thing is we will be curating all the content for you. We will be curating the practice study materials also for you. You will be curating the classes also accordingly. Everything in least time you can get maximum outcome. You don't have to beat around the bush. That's the main thing. But if you are already familiar with CSIR-NET pattern, self study के लिए ये study materials, you can find the right materials and prepare. Then another thing is YouTube channels. Yeah, this YouTube channel is currently now the best YouTube channel. Actually earlier I also was part of other YouTube channels or other edtech platforms where I have given a lot of videos. But now I have made sure that this YouTube channel reference material is the best for aptitude section of CSIR exam, not for other exams. All I am not claiming, but CSIR के लिए best material आप YouTube channel से learn करना है तो ये channel refer कर सकता है. You can learn to an extent from this channel alone. So subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and check the different playlist. So for practicing I will suggest you previous year question वाला एक playlist ही है. Almost 400 videos are there. Previous year questions का ही 400 videos. And latest PYQs का एक separate playlist भी है. Latest PYQs उसमें last 5 years previous year questions का selected question का detailed discussion दिया है. ये दो playlist शुरू करिए, then you can go through the other playlist also. So to prepare for CSIR-NET part A, different YouTube channels you can refer, but in my YouTube channel itself you can find enough content to prepare. Now last comes the complete course. I have told first four are free materials or free things that you can use. Now the paid thing, as I told, the good thing about the complete courses, minimum number of students, live interaction, you can have a routine of the routine, and that thereby you can learn general aptitude section. I'll just show you few points about the course also. As I told, in this live lecture I am explaining two things: how you can self-study, also how you can use the complete course to learn better also. A complete course का speciality ये है, as I told, you will have a proper routine, 66 live classes, and Monday to Friday almost 4 classes will be there in a week. So daily, almost daily you are attending at the same time. 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. is the fixed time. That time will not change. So 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. as a routine you can proceed. But in case some days you have class or some day you have to go to work or go for your research, different people are different students are here. Some are working, some are studying, some are doing research along with your preparation. Some days you cannot attend also. That day's recording will be uploaded immediately in 2 hours so that you can watch that lecture before the next live class. So that routine is the most important thing. You will not be demotivated. You will be staying motivated throughout the course so that the preparation will go smoothly. It will be a, what we can say, seamless experience rather than in between when you reach a particular chapter you feel like this is very difficult. So we will take 1 or 2 days to learn this. Next day we feel like ये difficult chapter है तो ये skip करेगा. Next chapter में भी skip करेगा. So that lack of motivation can happen in between if you are self-studying. But if you can keep motivated, definitely self-study itself is enough. So and इसमें regular practice materials होगा and also the important thing is your peer group or your batchmates will encourage you to practice that materials, because after every class your friends or your batchmates who are part of this course, they will try the question and they will post their solution in the group. There's a dedicated WhatsApp group and Telegram group. There they will post that question or the doubts that they have or the solutions that they got, that thereby you will also be encouraged to try those questions. So class maybe we will discuss, every class will be discussing about 10 plus questions. Theory के साथ previous year questions, practice questions भी discuss करेगा, and class के बाद practice worksheets daily देगा so that you can practice with that also. And there will be online mock test, full length mock test also. After completing all topics, there will be a full length mock test. 10 mock tests will be there. Uska detailed video solutions are also part of this. And recorded video, there is no limit how many times you can watch. You can watch any number of times after the live class. Throughout the subscription period, you can watch any number of times. So इसमें complete theory, topic wise previous year questions, last exam का questions भी हम detail में discuss करेगा, and exam hacks, exam में क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, what to be done, what not to be done in exam hall, what are the shortcut ways of doing solving questions, how you can improve the speed of calculation. All these things will be discussed in detail in this course. And if your background, math background is not that good, some chapters need your math background also, some chapters does not need that. But whether your math background is strong or not, in this course from the basics we'll be starting. For example, if you don't know how to find LCM or HCF, that will be taught in the course itself. So unlearn and relearn rot learned formula. The problem is we use a lot of math. That is why we feel math is difficult and aptitude section is difficult. So many of the formula you learned, you don't have to learn that way. You don't have to by heart it that way. You have to learn it properly in a logical way. Then the questions can also be done faster. If there is a slight variation in the question also, you will be able to solve the questions faster. And the focus of this course will be on developing your problem solving skills. When you see a new question also, you should be able to understand how to proceed with that question. So that problem solving skills we will be trying to develop in this course. And time management, that's the biggest challenge many people have. They are able to do questions, but every question needs more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes also. That is the biggest problem. So how to manage time properly, that also we'll be discussing. We have devised 15 shortcut methods for that. I will show you that also. 15 shortcut methods for solving questions super fast. And this is the most updated course compared to any other course available now. This is the most updated course because I am that faculty who is teaching for last 10 years for general aptitude section of CSIR-NET exam mainly. So I am updating the course after every exam. If there is a slight new topic added with less number of questions also, we will be including that in our course. And we'll be updating it with the difficulty levels also of each of the exams. So it's the most updated course, and as I told, 15 shortcut methods to solve questions super fast will be taught in between the class also, and there will be dedicated lectures also for that. And it's a one-stop solution. You don't have to search for previous year questions separately. You don't have to search for practice questions separately. You don't have to search for video solutions separately. You don't have to search for mock test separately. Everything you need for aptitude section is included in this. So by being part of this course, you can just set aside your tension regarding aptitude section. And speed matrix से आपका calculation speed भी include करेगा. And we have developed 100 unique flashcards. This is one unique thing. No other institute or no other course offer 100 unique flashcard, which is developed from my experience of teaching students for the last 10 years. What students are having difficulty in understanding, how to simplify it. For that, we have dedicated time to research on it, how we can make study easier. So flashcard publication was one of those efforts. So each of the concepts will be discussed with the flashcard so that you can just use that flashcard to revise before exam. So you will remember all the things I taught you in the class just by looking at those flashcards. And this is the most updated study materials. June 2024 का questions भी हमारा study material में already included है. And this is the course that helped more than 2 lakh CSIR-NET aspirants alone. Because this complete course I'm running from 2015 onwards. 2015 onwards I'm running complete course in different platforms. I was part of different platforms and almost 20 to 25 different premium coaching institutes in India. And the EdTech platform and Academy also I was part of in last 4 years from 2019 to 23. So through all these platforms, I was teaching more than 2 lakh aspirants with this complete course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude alone. So, and you will get continuous support till CSIR-NET exam. Like if you have any queries regarding the exam, if you have any, we have a dedicated Telegram channel and WhatsApp group. Their students itself will clarify, like you have some confusion regarding how to download the admit card or how to change the sender. Those kinds of things also. Throughout the course, you will be getting those clarity also. And doubt clearance के लिए एक offline classroom like experience देने के लिए, in the class itself there will be Q&A sessions and there is an audio feature. You can raise your hand and through your device, whether it is laptop or mobile, you can ask your doubts through the audio also. But if you don't prefer audio, you can ask through the chat also. And dedicated 6 doubt clearing sessions भी होगा. हर 9 class के बाद 10th session will be a doubt clearing session. So through that doubt clearing session also, you can clear your doubts. And there will be an exclusive Telegram and WhatsApp group where you can post your doubts, where your friends also will help you to learn general aptitude better, because that will help you to learn general aptitude better, because students' perspective is also important. That is what I think. Educator का solution से भी students का solution sometimes better भी होगा, because students, from the perspective of students, they will be able to think. I will also try to think from students' perspective, but when students say that this part I didn't understand, but this is how I solved it, that will help you to get a different perspective along with the educator's perspective. So that also you will be getting with this WhatsApp group and Telegram group doubt clearance opportunity, and you can put your solution so that others also will be benefited, and you will be benefited when you explain things to your friends. Okay, when we teach, we will think about different perspectives ना, वो आपको better think करने के लिए help करेगा. So that is also an important thing. So, and the live class timing, as I told, live classes will happen from day after tomorrow, October 9th, and we are planning to wind up the course on December 31st. In case exam happens on December last week or something, we will be making sure that lectures are completed before that itself. But as of now, there is no announcement, no indication from CSIR that exam will happen on December. So we don't know. But in case exam happens on December also, we will make sure that before your CSIR exam, the whole topics are completed. That's why I told you next 3 months, you will be able to prepare completely with this course. So that's it. And for those people who want to know the pricing of the course, this is the, okay, and before that, this is the complete schedule. 9th October will start, and You can watch the recording any number of times. हर क्लास के बाद 2 hours में recording भी upload हो जाता है, उसके बाद recording repeatedly भी देख सकता है. Live class का timing 10 AM till 11:30 AM है. I know some of you prefer night, evening time. Evening time we already have the GATE course. Those of you want, you can join our GATE course. But CSIR का course morning में रहेगा, because at that time I cannot take both the courses ना. The GATE का course का timing है 8 PM. GATE का new course we are starting from 14th October. 14th October. Now if you want, you can join for both the courses together and you can get an extra discount. Join for one course, and for the second course you will be automatically getting a coupon code to get it at 50% discount. So that way you can be part of both the courses also. Okay, so that is the live class timing, and if you want to see full schedule, these are the 60 topics we will be covering. These are the 60 topics. इसके अलावा 6 doubt clearing sessions भी होगा. 6 doubt clearing sessions भी होगा. बट अक्टूबर 9 से हम क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड यूनिट शुरू करेगा. दीज आर रीजनिंग यूनिट. October 9 first class will be this, then we will be starting quantitative aptitude unit, then we will coming to the reasoning unit. So that is how the full schedule, or that is how the lectures will proceed. So any doubts, all of you, any doubts regarding whatever I have told till now? I'm now explaining about the course, but any general doubts also you can ask. A minute. If there is any doubt, please ask. Okay, if there is no doubt, so this is the complete schedule, and this is the topics, whether you attend our course or not, this is the topics you should prepare, whether you are self-studying also, these topics you prepare. From these topics, questions are asked in CSIR-NET exam. Some topics are more important, some topics are less important, but I will suggest you prepare all topics, because CSIR have a habit to change the importance of topics. Like if this time one subject question paper questions are more, next time maybe another, not subject, one topic questions are more, next time another topic questions may be more. So we cannot say that always few topics only. If you prepare that topics alone, question will come. So any other doubts? Sir, in YouTube channel the topics which you have mentioned. It is there, Swati, but in YouTube channel it is more assorted videos. That's why I told you it will take more time compared to the complete course. Why YouTube channel? If you are planning to study, the problem is you have to go through, maybe for one single topic you have to attend 4 or 5 lectures, which will take double the time than the complete course lecture, and that routine will not be maintained also, and it is not live classes also. These are few reasons. YouTube class से भी better है complete course का videos, but I have tried to keep YouTube videos also as much useful as possible. Just that routine thing and more time taken to cover all topics, that is the main drawback we can say. Yes, be alert. Probability is also, we'll be discussing in detail actually. Probability का 2 lectures है actually, because that's an important topic. Look at the schedule. Every topic is mentioned. Probability part 1, part 2 means 2 different lectures on probability. Permutation combination ka 4 topics, 4 lectures on permutation combination alone. Okay, I'll give you a basic idea for those people who are new. Quantitative aptitude, reasoning, data interpretation, and general science. These are the 4 areas from which questions are asked. Reasoning ka almost 11 topics hai. These are the 11 lectures on reasoning. Quantitative aptitude is the biggest unit. Usme number system is an important important section. Then algebraic chapters, these are the algebraic chapters. Then elementary statistics chapters. Then permutation combination probability, that is arrangements and probability. Then data interpretation chapter. Then speed, distance, time and work and time chapters. Then geometry related chapters are all these. Then assorted clock and time calendar problem. Finally general science. Last three lectures are strategy session, speed matrix, shortcut methods, tips and tricks, इसके लिए 3 separate lectures dedicate किया है. So that is how the course will proceed. Everything you need for general aptitude is included in this 60 lectures. And price also, for those people who are new, this is the pricing. Now we are introducing the 3-month subscription also, because now exam almost 3 months to exam. So ये 3 month में भी आप पूरा course attend कर सकता है. And the discounted pricing, this is a limited period offer. As part of Navratri, we have given this offer at 1,300 rupee, including GST, internet handling charges, etc. This will be the final price you have to pay. For the live class, recording, study material, mock test, video solution, everything together, this is the price. And if you want higher subscription, 6-month subscription, 1-year subscription, 2-year subscriptions are also there. So that are the details of the special price. Otherwise, after Navratri, this will be the normal price after discount. That also is asked after discount. But Navratri, we have a special extra 20% discount using the referral code Festival20. And these are some of the testimonials or reviews students have given for the last few complete courses we have conducted. As I told, this more than 2 lakh aspirants have attended our complete course, and almost all of them have told that aptitude section they could do well by attending this course. When I'm saying do well, I'm not saying I will make you do 30 out of 30 in aptitude. That is not important. First of all, understand it. Getting maximum marks in minimum time, that is the focus of this course. Exam hall mein 1 hour leke 30 marks milna, that is not a big deal at all. But 20 minutes mein 20 marks milna, that is better than getting 30 marks in 1 hour, because time is precious. Exam hall में 1 hour aptitude के लिए लिया तो बाकी time काफी नहीं है subject part complete करने के लिए. This is an important point many people don't know. So time is very important. कम time में maximum marks, उसके लिए prepare करना है. That is what I will be focusing in our course. Minimum time, how to select the right question, how to skip the difficult question. I always tell the example of a cricket batsman who know how to choose the right ball to play. He know which ball to play also, he know which ball to skip also. That is very important. Exam hall maybe you should be able to find which question to try, which question not to try also. ये नोट टू ट्राई वाला आइडिया बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि कुछ क्वेश्चन ट्राई किया तो 3 minutes 4 minutes लगेगा, and that much time may not be there in exam hall. This is very important. So come time में maximum marks, that is what I will make you do by attending this course. So that please keep in mind. And those of you want to know more details of the GATE complete course, GATE के लिए भी complete course we are starting. The new batch is starting from October 14. October 14, that means next Monday. So October 14 we are starting the new batch for GATE General Aptitude also. Swati, as I told, CSIR-NET General Aptitude course if you are attending, GATE ka non-verbal aptitude ka many topics are common. For that it will be definitely useful. But GATE verbal aptitude is different. English section it is. That is not there in CSIR. So that you have to prepare separately. And if you are attending CSIR course also, I will suggest you, please practice previous year questions of GATE. That is important. For any exam, that particular exam's previous year questions should be practiced. But theory wise, many of the topics, theory is common itself. So theory you will learn from the CSIR-NET course, most of the topics. But previous year questions you have to prepare separately. In our practice worksheets of CSIR, I will include GATE previous year questions also, so that you can prepare, you can practice that also. But in the class, we will be discussing CSIR PYQs in the CSIR course, GATE PYQs in the GATE course. That's a major difference. Okay, any other doubts, all of you? Okay, I was actually discussing about the importance of aptitude section. वहाँ पे I told you first about easiest questions in aptitude is easiest among all question paper questions. Second point I want to tell you is aptitude section is a rank booster section. Many people, the problem is not that they are not able to solve questions. They are able to solve questions, I'm saying, in subject part, but they are just reaching near to the borderline. Many students, this is the problem. They say they are preparing for NET exam, but they are not able to cross that line, borderline. For example, JRF ka borderline say 200 पे 100 mark है. They are able to reach 99 mark or 99 and half या 98 mark, but 100 reach नहीं किया. So that means they just missed the NET exam by just single aptitude question. One extra aptitude question if you can do, you could have converted. Yeah, for example, if the lectureship cutoff was 90, a person getting 89, he is not getting even lectureship qualification. Na? That means just one question from aptitude was enough to convert that to a lectureship, or convert lectureship to a JRF. Yeah, whether you are preparing for lectureship or JRF, getting JRF is definitely an advantage. If you don't go for research also, if you are preparing for lectureship also, if you have JRF, that is an extra advantage when you go for an interview for lectureship. So it's a rank booster section. That is what I am saying. Aptitude section se kuch mark mila to, that will ensure that you can clear the exam with less effort. Otherwise, you are putting more effort. I will explain it how. Out of 200, for example, if 100 is the cutoff, that means 50%. 100 cutoff, nowadays cutoff of JRF is higher than that. General category mein cutoff higher hai. But assume karo 100 cutoff hai. Matlab 200 by 100 means just 50% mark काफी है. But that is when, with the help of aptitude, if you are completely neglecting aptitude, you are not trying aptitude at all. So सिर्फ 170 mark बचा है ना, वो 170 marks में से 100 mark निकालना है. 100 mark 170 marks में से निकालना है. That is not that easy as earlier. Are you understanding what I am saying? 100 out of 200 means cutoff is just 50%. But 100 out of 170 means the cutoff is even higher. Are you getting what I am trying to say? If you calculate it, it will be almost 59%. That means up 9% extra cutoff add kar raha hai if you are skipping CSIR aptitude section. If you think that subject part se hi मैं clear करेगा. Subject part से clear करना impossible नहीं है, but difficult है. Because 59% instead of 50%, directly you added 9% extra burden on your subject part. Not 9%, it is actually 18%. 50% ka 18%. This I will be teaching you in percentage chapter separately. How to find 100 out of 170 is 59%. And 50 to 59, is it 9% or 19%, 18%? All those things we'll be discussing in detail. Anyway, you are adding an extra burden on your subject part if you neglect aptitude section. Please don't do that. That is the most important. That is the next importance of aptitude section. Why you should not skip aptitude section. क्योंकि ये rank booster section है, and if you are skipping aptitude, you are putting extra burden on your subject part. I told you CSIR-NET का easy aptitude section का easy question, subject part का easy question से भी easy है. Secondly, subject part में भी difficult questions है ना. So if you are putting more burden on your subject part, you have to do difficult questions in your subject part also. That literally is very difficult na. Difficult means they are very time consuming. That is the most important thing. उतना time available नहीं है exam hall में. Part A, Part B, Part C, ये तीनों section से easy question, moderate level question choose करके ही exam easily clear कर सकता है. That is how you should prepare. That is why skipping one section, whether it is section A or section B or section C, is not a luxury that all of you have. Please understand this. Some people are super good in their subject part that from part B, part C section itself, without trying aptitude itself, they can clear. But that is very rare, because if you are doing that, you are even doing the difficult question from your subject part. That takes more time. How that much time is not available normally, unless you are super good in your subject part. So please keep that in mind, the importance of aptitude section. And as I told, just clearing the borderline, that is another thing. And another thing is, For example, if you are getting mark general aptitude, बिना general aptitude ही सब्जेक्ट पार्ट से आपको कट ऑफ क्लियर किया है, JRF का कट ऑफ भी क्लियर किया है, 110 मार्क मिला आउट ऑफ 200. But still, if you are able to add 10 marks from aptitude, your JRF can be converted to maybe top 10 ranks of JRF or top 5 ranks of JRF maybe. Because as you know, adding 1 mark or 2 mark also, the rank that you are changing is very big actually. I don't know how many of you know, the topper's mark is also not 190 or 180 or 170. It is around 160 marks only for most subjects. The CSIR-NET toppers students mark also. So what I am saying is, this 3 hours is not enough to comfortably finish all questions in NET exam. So choosing right question is important, and moreover, by adding aptitude section marks, you can convert your rank to a very high rank of JRF also. So for all these reasons, general aptitude is very important. As I told today's class, I was trying to give you a motivation also that you should prepare for general aptitude. Whether you prepare it through my course or whether you self-study, that is up to you. But if you are preparing with our course, you will have less burden, less tension, because you will have a mentor throughout your course. I will be there to mentor you so that you don't have much trouble in aptitude section. And your friends who are preparing for aptitude section will be there for you so that they will also support you for aptitude section. So that will help you. So that is the importance of aptitude, and that is the importance of the course to for learning general aptitude. How the course will help also, I have told you. So any other doubts regarding the course also? If you have any other doubts, please ask. And other free study material for practicing questions, if you want free study materials, we have daily quizzes, daily reels, daily quiz of the day, etc. in our Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, and in our Instagram page also. We have created a new Instagram page. It is Christy's _ classes. Instagram also you can find our page. There also you can find daily reels. In our YouTube channel also we have started a daily shorts series also. So these resources also can help you to learn general aptitude. And the printed study material for CSIR-NET General Aptitude, if you want, you can get it from Amazon and Flipkart. And our course is also aligned with this book. So those of you have this book, by being part of the course, you will be able to attending the class, and that day itself you can refer that chapter in the book, and that way you can learn better also. And this is the full blueprint of CSIR-NET Part A. These are the major topics, and the number of questions that were asked on an average from all these topics are also given here. And these are the 15 shortcut methods I will be teaching you in the course. By this 15 shortcut methods, you will be able to learn maximum in minimum time. So that's it. Now if you have any doubts, please ask. Most welcome Meenal, most welcome. So कोर्स के बारे में डाउट है तो लाइव क्लास स्टूडेंट्स लाइव चैट में पूछ सकता है. अदर्स कैन कमेंट इन द कमेंट वीडियो एंड चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द वीडियो फॉर द लिंक ऑफ being part of the course also. You can find from there. And GATE course also you are welcome to be part of. And CSIR-NET ka recorded video course is also there, but the current recorded video courses is the recording of last lecture, last course actually, last exam course. That also is good, but the more updated course is the present CSIR-NET course. There is no other doubts. Let's conclude for today. Tomorrow 10 a.m. there will be a free demo live class that will be there in our mobile application Christy's classes. So download our mobile application. There you will be notified when the demo live class goes. That's a complete topic discussion. The topic is sequential ordering or ranking and ordering lecture. Ranking and ordering is an important topic in reasoning unit. So that will be discussed in detail in the tomorrow's demo video. Uma course fee, as I told, is 1,999 for the 6 month subscription. But now to support students, as there is only 3 months for exam, we have introduced a 3 month subscription which is 1,600 rupees price. But as part of the Navaratri special offer, you can get the course at just 1,312 rupees. This is the 3 month subscription price using the coupon code Festival20. Meenal, that actually after the completion of this course only we will be updating it actually. So it will take more time. So if there is any other doubts, please ask. Otherwise, let's conclude. So we welcome all of you to be part of this complete course. If you are able to afford the course, definitely this course will help you to clear CSIR-NET Aptitude section and your subject, I mean CSIR-NET exam easily with the help of Aptitude section. But in case you cannot afford it, you can definitely follow our YouTube channel and other resources, which you may have to invest little more time than the complete course, but definitely you can learn through that also. So that's it. I think other doubts you can ask in the comment section or be part of our Telegram group and WhatsApp group. There also you can post your doubts. Check the description of the video for all our free resources that we provide. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a good day. You all in the next class. Tomorrow 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. complete free demo classes there. So you can learn a complete topic completely free through that live demo lecture. Invite your friends also to be part of that free live lecture. So thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you all on the next class. Have a good day. Bye-bye. And please share this video to maximum people. Let more people watch this video and get to know how to prepare for general aptitude in the next 3 months and get to know about the course also so that they can learn general aptitude through that complete course from the beginning itself without missing any live class. And in case anyone is missing any live class, the recording of that class they can watch any number of times in the subscription period. Swati, the tomorrow demo video will be not in this YouTube channel. Tomorrow demo video will be in the Christy's classes mobile application. In the description of the video, you can find the link of that. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a good day.